Throughout history, spices have held a revered position, not just in culinary arts, but also in traditional medicine. Did you know that these vibrant ingredients are nature's secret arsenal for bowel health? Ginger, with its strong anti-inflammatory properties, can ease digestion disorders and reduce nausea. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, helps in soothing irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Meanwhile, the fiery warmth of cayenne pepper stimulates enzyme production, promoting efficient digestion. Cumin, often overlooked, assists in nutrient absorption and balances gut flora. Integrating these potent spices into daily meals is a simple yet powerful way to enhance digestive health and maintain a harmonious gut. Embrace these natural remedies and unlock the profound benefits of spices in your journey towards wellness, proving once again that sometimes big changes come from the smallest of origins.